Let me unmute myself. Okay, can y'all see me and hear me? I'm quite sure y'all can. So, pretty much, I'm gonna be testing how much money I can make in 20 minutes. And since the new update has come out, hold on, let me set a timer for 20 minutes and we can get started. Started. My bad. So you set a timer for. Alright, go. Alright, first things first, we're just gonna go to this area. And we're gonna go kill some pinatas. Not the big pinata, because that would take like 10 minutes. Also, I'm gonna get rid of the ogre while I can. Hey, Mr. Ogre. Whoa. Yo, why your neck be built like that? Yo, he turns around at Mach 11, bro.
I not kill him?
This game sucks sometimes. Because the ogres have so much HP! Seriously, why do they have so much HP? It's practically unfair. In all honesty, it feels unfair.
The camera can set off landmines.
You know what? I'm gonna use some code rockets. Alright, guys. We're back. Now we can only hope that the ogre doesn't have a trillion HP. Which he should. I'm gonna actually pick up the crate so that I can sell it sometime. Alright, first amount of money. Okay, let's kill another one. Alright, pick up the crate. Grab all the money. Okay, I started this at 11.34 million. So keep that in mind. Oh, they drop nuts when they get hit. Alright, pick this up. Making sure I'm not missing any so we get the max amount of money. I'm getting quite efficient with picking them up. I feel like I could. I mean, plus the spinning the entire 20 minutes. I'm gonna go do something. Nuts, do not despawn, I really need you. Alright, guys. I'm gonna test out a theory that my friend told me. And then I also used. Also, comment down below if you guys want me to do 100, or not 100, like a myths video. And then give me some myths to bust in that comment as well. Because that lets me know if you guys want me to record this more, want me to record this less, and it just lets me know what you want. Because I decided to switch to Animal Company content because, I mean, it's been blowing up on my YouTube channel. My actual videos haven't, but my shorts definitely have. Apparently you need 30 sticky dynamite, but... Okay, I'm gonna leave these crates here. 5 entire crates. Okay, so from what I've heard from my friend, is you just need to toss this thing at the monster, so I'm actually gonna switch hands. So I don't accidentally blow this thing up. And I'm also gonna keep my head a bit, like, up, so I don't accidentally blow up a landmine as well. But I need to, like, be looking down. Oh. I thought I stepped on a landmine. I heard it click. The sweat is real. If this doesn't kill the llama, I have to
What is that?
Where did my grappler go? My grappler is non-existent now. Oh, look at all the loot!
This is so weird, bro. All the monster does is just camp, bro.
Hasta la vista, baby! Where are they? Oh, there they are. Yeah, non-existent. Whoo! You guys saw that pile of money? Yeah, I saw that pile of money. Alright, we got a grenade. That I missed. Lance, okay, that's first good piece. Alright. Let's throw this at the ogre. Don't even think it's gonna hit. Could. Okay, we got him. Box fan! Let's go, guys. I should probably go pick up the rest of those nuts. This is a... How many nuts can I get in 20 minutes of this video? Wow, as soon as I say that. Imagine getting juked out. Okay. I see how it is. So as soon as I'm about to start grabbing the nuts, they all just disappear. Alright, game, I see you. Alright, guys. We're probably gonna run out of time doing this strat, but... why did I buy another one? Okay. Sticky dynamite onto it. We need about 30 of them. And I just realized something. This is gonna break down our total. But I'll do some of the math and see how much we have. Because right now, from what I'm seeing, we've lost all the money we've gained. Like, seriously. I spent all the money we gained. And we've gained only about, like, 6K. So the rocket launcher is unpaid for. Which, we buy 2 of them, so that's $20,000 down the drain. Oh. So yeah. We're cooked. Also, I like to ask it at about, like, the middle of the video. I'm gonna start doing this because, like, you know when to subscribe or not, or if you want to, you're not. But I'm gonna copy laughability on this. Don't copyright me or do it or. But yeah, only subscribe if you're actually enjoying the video, and I mean it. Anyways, back to the video. So I'm gonna keep buying sticky dynamite. And just, you know, hope I kill the llama in one hit. If I don't, then I'll just use the rocket launcher. But I need the rocket launcher to deal with all the stuff that comes out of the llama. More waiting. But yeah, also, if you guys like content like this, you could like the video. It'd show me more support, and it'd push me towards other people, so I can gain more subscribers and start putting out even better content for you guys. And I'm gonna start live streaming again. Like, I did a live stream about Minecraft Hardcore not that long ago, but I've switched back to my old, like, hardcore world, and I'm starting to grind on that, like in creeper farms and all that, but that's not what this video is about. It's about seeing how many nuts we get in 20 minutes. And plus, we're not really going anywhere else, so... yeah, I'm gonna start asking y'all to subscribe at basically the middle of the video, so that you guys know if you want to subscribe or not. Because, I mean, that's what Laughability does, and he's a pretty good YouTuber with, like, 2 mil, I believe. I like his videos, they're pretty entertaining. I know mine really aren't that entertaining, because, I mean, my editing is booty cheeks. Ow, what the hell? Swear, bro. I always die to the most random causes. Did I not put that? Am I leaving you guys on your screen? Bro, I thought I went flying back. I'm hiding up here because of that scary guy. Okay, I just need to get to my backpack. What is this? No! What about a sticker printer? Go, 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 go. Woo! Woo! That got everything, bro. There's no way. Alright, skip the loot boxes and go directly for the. Whoa, what the hell? What is going on? Okay, seems like. Whoa, 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 whoa. Bro, and all of it despawned again, dude. Because it's actually genuinely fun. Sorry, young viewers. I'm just a bit mad that this game does not like anything of it. And of course the big back ogre's coming at me, bro. Wait! That actually just... I got a revolver? Whoa, 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 whoa! Jesus, where did you come from? I'm so confused how I don't kill sometimes. I do some of the craziest stunts in the game. And I don't kill someone. Honestly, this video did not turn out as fun as I was expecting it to be. I was gonna record a 1 hour one, but I figure only people that actually watch my content like it. Hey, big back. Hey, big back. Hey, big back. Honestly, Animal Company is more of a game to play with your friends. But I mean, I like myth busting by myself. Or not myth busting. That's a different video. Also, is it just me, or do these guys sound very like the chickens? probably just other models of the chicken. Knowing this game. I'm riding the llama! Oh, never mind. It was fun. Oh, well, it lasted. I'm not expecting.